Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Forms add-on payments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the specific form that is connected to the add-on payments. Click on the form to open it in edit mode. In the top menu, click on the three vertical dots to access additional options. Select add-ons from the drop-down menu. Find and click on the add-on you used for payments. Open the add-on interface to manage your settings. Look for an option related to payment withdrawals or account settings. Click on that option to proceed. You may need to authenticate your account or input payment details. Provide any necessary information asked for withdrawal processing. Make sure to specify the amount you wish to withdraw, if prompted. Review any additional terms or conditions before finalizing the withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal request by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. Check your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Monitor your payment account for the transaction to be completed. Follow up if you don't see the amount reflected within the expected timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.